Tesco in the UK and I bought a 2 kilogram brisket, this one. Now, in the past, I've tried to do these and cook them correctly and make them look beautiful, but they've turned out to be a bit like Gandhi's flip-flop, way too dry, but not dry, but just not quite right as you see them on some of the professional cooks. So, I've engaged the help of GTP, give them the dimensions, told them I want to smoke it for an hour and a half in my Ninja Woodfire smoker, and then I want to finish it low and slow for 12 hours using my Anova precision oven. And it's given me all the details, all the temperatures, so we're relying on GTP. We'll see what this AI is all about. I hope it doesn't mess it up. 27 quid. Right, let's get this prepared. Okay, to prepare it, I'm going to use some of the French's yellow mustard as the sticky bit. And some of this. It's a steak seasoning. So it says, buttered steak seasoning. So I'm going to smother it with that, and then we're going to get it in the smoker. Okay, there it is. I've got the yellow mustard binder on there. We've coated it with the rub of my choice this time, all the way around, underneath, everywhere. Okay, we're out in the outside bit, if you like. Ninja smoker, that's set to 100 degrees, which is what it said, and it's going to be about an hour and 20 minutes smoking at that temperature, and it's nearly ready. When it's ready, we'll get the joint in there. Okay, that's the smoke set, 100 degrees, 1 hour 20, and then we'll have a look. Okay, to the outside area bit again, and here we are, 1.5 hours in, and this is the smoke part of the job done, and there it is. Right, part 2, 12 hours. Okay, here we are. We cooked that, or we smoked that rather, for 1.5 hours. Put some butter on there. I'm going to use the probe cook feature on the Anova precision oven now for 12 hours until the internal temperature of that gets to about 91 degrees, and then that should be done. And it should take around 12 hours. Let's show you the Anova precision oven and what we do next. There we are. That's the GTP setting. Oven at 104 it suggested. Probe temperature should be 90 degrees. It should be a perfect brisket, and that should take approximately 12 hours. Okay, that's the joint in there now. We've hooked the probe up. I'm going to set the probe cook to about 90 degrees internal temperature, and according to GTP, that should be around 12 hours, and that should be perfect. We'll see what this AI is all about. Right. We'll see that in 12 hours. Okay, here we are. 12 hours, or just short of 12 hours, and GTP said the internal temperature be around 91, 92-ish. And look at that. We're 12 hours, it's the next morning, let it go through the night. I'm going to take that out of there, let it rest for half an hour, and we'll see whether GTP recipe has done the job. Oh, we've got another Gandhi's flip-flop, but the house smells great. Okay, here we are, GTP brisket, the first cut, the first reveal, see what we got. Not bad. There we go, GTP. The recipe, we followed it to the letter, and it was just 15 minutes out over a 12-hour period. And that's the brisket. It's super soft, crazy soft. It's just falling apart. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, don't usually eat on camera, but that's the brisket that we've just done with GTP's recipe. We're just 15 minutes out. How crazy is that? And just look at this. It's just, look at that. It just melts. That is unreal. See you on the next one.